Imagine walking into a brand new office. You sit at the manager's desk, and down the hall, a world-class software developer, a brilliant graphic designer, and a seasoned video producer are all waiting for your instructions. You can assemble this entire group today, starting with zero-cost versions of these tools and scaling only as your business grows. For years, if you had a great idea for a digital business or a freelance service, you inevitably hit a wall. You'd get halfway through a project, realize you didn't know how to code an app or edit a promotional video, and the whole idea would just stall because you lacked that one specific technical skill. We have moved into an era where your value as a creator is no longer measured by your manual technical skill. Instead, your success depends on your ability to manage software. Your job is to be the director, overseeing the digital tools that do the heavy lifting for you. Take a look at this organizational chart. Any successful digital business relies on 4 core departments to function. You sit at the top as the manager. Below you, there is research, design, tech, and marketing. When you fill these empty boxes with specialized software, the old technical barriers vanish. You are no longer limited by what you can do with your own 2 hands, which means you can build and deliver professional, global-scale work all by yourself. Let's start by hiring your research department. Before you can launch a product or help a client, you need to understand the market or the specific problem you are trying to solve. This diagram shows the difference between finding information and actually understanding it. On the left is the standard search engine. You type a question, and you get a chaotic pile of links to sort through. On the right is an answer engine, like Perplexity AI. It reads the websites for you and hands you a single, clean summary of the facts. Notice the little numbers embedded in that summary. The tool acts like a meticulous assistant, attaching clickable footnotes to every claim it makes. If you need to verify a fact, you can follow the citation straight to the original source, ensuring the information is accurate and hasn't been misinterpreted by the software. Then there is the challenge of capturing what your clients actually want during a call. You can use a tool like Granola, which acts like an invisible meeting assistant. It listens to the conversation, transcribes the audio, and organizes the client's goals into neat, actionable notes without you ever having to stop and type. By automating the tedious work of searching, reading, and taking notes, you essentially gain a research assistant that never sleeps. This allows a solo operator to handle complex projects that used to require a whole team of strategists. Next, we move over to your design and marketing departments. This is where your business ideas finally become visible to your audience. You can now produce professional visuals in seconds. For example, you can drop a simple spreadsheet containing 30 daily tips into Canva's Magic Studio using its bulk create feature. Immediately, those 30 lines of plain text are transformed into 30 professionally designed social media posts. You've generated a full month of content in the time it takes to click a button. For video marketing, you don't even need to record your own voice. You can type out a script and use 11 Labs to generate a realistic narrator. You can clone your own voice to save time, or even produce a perfectly fluent Hindi voiceover to reach an entirely new market. You then take that audio track and feed it into InVideo AI. The software analyzes the words, searches through a library of millions of stock video clips, and automatically assembles a finished presentation that matches your narration. Stacking these creation tools together allows you to produce a massive amount of marketing material in a few hours. A workload that used to demand weeks of design and video editing is now completed in a single afternoon. Finally, we arrive at what has historically been the most expensive and difficult department to fill: the software developer. Traditional programming requires years of study to learn complex code. But now, the primary way we build software is through plain English. If you can describe what you want in a simple sentence, you can build a functional tool. This diagram breaks down how a platform like Lovable works. You type a description, like "Build me a yoga booking website," into the prompt box. The software processes that instruction and immediately outputs the underlying code, giving you a bare-bones skeletal blueprint of a working app. You can then refine that rough blueprint with a few more instructions, turning it into a finished, interactive interface. If you're a freelancer working with international clients, you can even tell the software to add a feature that accepts payments in US dollars. Because these platforms handle the technical coding for you, you can deliver high-value software solutions without ever looking at a line of code. It allows anyone with a clear vision to sell and deliver digital tools that used to require a computer science degree. Let's bring back our organizational chart. Only now, the empty boxes are filled. Under your management, Perplexity handles research, Canva and InVideo drive your marketing, and Lovable builds your software. Freelancers are already using this specific tech stack to step outside their local economies. By delivering professional-grade work at high speeds, they can secure international clients and earn premium rates that were once impossible for a solo operator. This strategy requires you to change how you value your work. When your software team completes a task in 10 minutes that used to take 10 hours, you stop billing for your time. Instead, you bill the client for the value of the final result you deliver. Don't feel like you have to master everything at once. Start by picking just one tool from this chart. Spend 30 minutes experimenting with it this week and see how it fits into your own workflow. You now have the power to manage a complete virtual department. Now, the only thing left is to provide the instructions that turn your idea into a global business.